Hello, wonderful. It is Sarah, and it is early morning at my house. So I'm hiding in my closet doing this live for you because I don't want to go upstairs in the podcast room and interrupt the family. But I woke up thinking about this and just really wanted to share it with you while it was fresh on my mind, which is the difference between self care and self maintenance. And this was brought to my attention by Marilee Grace. Woo woo. Hello, Marilee. And she said it on a call we were on. And I was just like, wow, what a great way to say that. So I want to give her full credit. And yesterday there was a lot of self maintenance. My daughter didn't have school. I got my hair cut. She got her hair cut. She has been working her tail off doing reading tutoring. We're all in the midst of COVID, and as parents, it's tough to know what to do to help your kids through disruption of school and all that kind of stuff. So she's very smart, but she's doing reading tutoring because COVID, right? It disrupted our school system and at a really important crucial age for her. So she's been just working her tail off, doing tutoring, and having a really good attitude about it. So I told her I would get her to take her nails done. And so it was a very sweet day of self maintenance. But I didn't talk to her about it being self care. And there's nothing wrong with getting a haircut, obviously, or getting your skin taken care of, or doing your nails, or whatever, or going shopping. Nothing in the whole world wrong with that. Okay? However, self maintenance, getting your hair cut, you just get your hair cut, right? Like, I mean, it's nice. It looks nice. I scheduled my next appointment on my birthday so that my hair would look nice for my birthday. These are wonderful things. But is it really healing? Is it really like fulfilling my soul? It makes me feel better that my hair looked better that day. You can still see it a bit. It made me feel better. Sure. Maybe made my daughter feel happy that she had her nails done. Okay, that was a real treat for her. Yeah, that made her feel better. But sometimes self-care isn't as sexy. Self-care is going through the finances you don't want to. Self-care is going through the hurt that you were pretending isn't there. Self-care is really getting honest about what are the gaps in my life. And it's harder. It's not nearly as fun as a massage. And taking care of yourself and your maintenance and your appearance and looking like a human, okay, that's wonderful. But I loved the distinction of self-care versus self-maintenance because it's a wonderful thing to relax at the end of the day with a bubble bath. It's a wonderful thing. But it's not going to solve your problems for you. There are certain aspects of self-care, uh, you know, take some time for you. Okay? They can almost be self-indulgent. And sometimes we need to be self-indulgent. Again, this is a both and conversation. Self-maintenance and self-care. Taking a break from the hard stuff and taking a look at the hard stuff. Not always having to solve a problem and solving the problems that your life needs you to solve. Feeling beautiful and feeling confident, not because your nails are done, because you have a new pair of shoes, but because you are happy about who you are, because you're living your self-integrity, because you are proud of the life you've created, because you are proud of the example you are setting for your kids, because you are proud of the decisions you've made. There's no way a bubble bath can do that for you. And honestly, affirmations can't do that for you. If you say have a sticker on your mirror that says I'm amazing and wonderful, but then the whole rest of the day you feel like a failure because you're not living up to your potential, you're not going after dreams, you're not whatever, the The 30-second affirmation isn't going to build that confidence in you that you're looking for. The best confidence in the world does not come from a new outfit or your nails done. There's nothing wrong. I have recently had my nails done and got a new outfit. I am not saying that's bad. I'm saying my confidence doesn't come from my nail colors. My confidence comes from I show up for myself, I do what I need to do, I follow through on the things I said I was going to, I show up for people, I show up for myself, I show up for my family, I show up for my problems, I show up for what life gives me. And that is the difference between self-care and self-maintenance. And it's okay to do both. I want you to do both. I'm definitely not saying don't fix your hair, take baths anymore, right? And I'm not saying this to burden your to-do list with something else. But it's a very important distinction to understand the difference between the two. Hope you have a great day, and I hope this helps you on your journey to becoming toxic person proof.